What's up, everybody? In this video, we have a password generator made using C Sharp. And as I said, by this project, it's like may look so simple project, but my goal is to reinforce my C Sharp uh, knowledge because I just started to learn C Sharp, and as we know, you have to make practice to uh, become like to reinforce the uh, the 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 concept you have learned. So in this project, I just focused to connection between the controls and the background code. And I just want you to know that this is not the best solution, the best way to solve this problem. I think there is better ways to solve this problem and short ways to solve this problem by using the less code. Um, to be honest, I didn't put the required time to this project because um, I had finals, I mean the exams, so I didn't have enough time. So I just solve it in this way. Um, it's a password generation. We are generating password here. So let me run this program, and see what I am talking about. So here we go, and this is the main screen. We just have one screen, one form. We have here like text box. It is a read only. You cannot change anything. You cannot type. It's read only. So two buttons, crossbar, additional options, check boxes. So first, you can generate password as much as you can, and you can determine the length of the password, and when you move the scroll bar, the password will change. I just connect these two controls in the same function. So we have additional options, and the trick is you have been chosen at least one option. Like for example, if I unclick this option, the AZ will be enabled. So here we go. Because at least you have to have one option. So if you let me show you again. So you see, you cannot uncheck the last option. Okay. So you can copy the password, but there is no any code to copy the password to clipboard. I just add some line of code, a few line of code to change the color and change the text. So here I just wanted to estimate the crack time and the password score. So yeah, let's dive into the code, the source code, and how I made the connection. I think this is the most important thing in here. Create a proper connection between the code and the controls, the UI. So let's go, and let's start with this button. I mean, it's like the main control. Double click, and there we go. We have function which will display password. Let's dive in that function. Here we have a structure, and this starter I just wanted to save the feature of the password, like the additional options, the length, so on. So I just wanted to save the features. So such as capital letter, like if capital letter is included or not, and so on. And after that, I just called the main function in my program, which is generate password. This is the main function in my program. by this function, I like the program like selecting the random characters in a certain array of string. For example, let me like dive into this function because this function will generate the characters, and the generate password function will select the random characters in a string which made created by this function. So let's go in that and check. Here we have in this function I just wanted to create the characters. For example, now we here like we have capital letters and digits, and the characters will include the capital letters and digits only. I mean, it's gonna be something like this, you know, the digits and capital letters. And when it comes to this function will like select the random characters between these among these characters. For example, like 8 or D or G, it depends. Here is the random function. I just called random function, and the random function will give us a number between 0 and password length. I mean between 0 and password length, which is the length of this string. So it will generate a password, and it will return that password here. And the text box of the password will take that and display on a screen. So this is the like 80% of program, and we have set track time score here, which will display these two labels. Let's see how I accomplished that. Here we have like, you know, guys, it is in this function. I don't know. I'm sure that there is a best way to solve this problem, but I didn't figure out how to solve, and I don't want to ask AI to give me an idea. Here how I do it. Here how I made it. It depends on the password length. For example, the password length equal to 5. That means your password is so weak. The color will change to red, and the color of the password score will change to red, and the estimate time to crack equal to second. I mean, the whole idea it's like just get the password length. According to the password length, you will like know these values. For example, the password length, in case the password length equal to 8, that means the password score is weak, and estimate time to crack, I mean this label will get dark orange, and the second one will be dark orange too, and the estimate time to crack will be 3 hours. So here is how it works. I just like for 13, like, and after 13 it will be centuries, or it will be like forever. So here, this is the main function. Yeah, this is the program, guys. So I think this is the whole program. We have like simple buttons such as this one, like copy button, like just it's so simple, code. I just changed the text and the color, and started time, because after 10 seconds it will change back to copy to clipboard. Let me show you. Yeah, since once I click that, the timer will start, and after 10 seconds it will turn back to this text. Just watch here. Yeah, there we go. After 10 seconds, there is like this program like not copying the text to clipboard, just like changing the color and the text. And we have set checkboxes. this function allows me to like keep check at the last checkbox. Let me show you what I am trying to say. I'm trying to say that when the last this is the last checkbox, you cannot unclick it, uncheck it, because it is the last one, and in this program you have at least you have to one checkbox. Okay, so through that function I accomplished that. Do this. Yeah, here. Number of checkboxes. It will give like how many checkbox has checked. It's equal. It's more than one. It will like execute these codes. Yeah, this is the whole function, whole program. I hope that I explain myself, and I will put this code to description below. I mean, I will put the link of my GitHub. You can get the source code. Okay, this is the whole. This is what I want to say. Okay, see you next time. See you soon.